We took a cruise on the Celebrity Eclipse to Antarctica, and here I want to do a little room tour and show you our balcony cabin on board the Celebrity Eclipse. This is a beautiful ship, and in this video I'll give you a short tour of the ship. So here's our room during the day and at night, so you can see what it looks like. Very nice. And here's our bathroom, standard cruise ship bathroom. And now we're just walking through the ship, so let's go down the hall and see what we can find. I like the decorations on Celebrity. They do a good job with decorating their ships. So this is the atrium on the ship, and it's from the bottom deck to the top deck. Here's the casino, of course. Here's more of the atrium with the glass elevators. Here's one of the lounges on board the ship, very pretty. Another lounge. My favorite spot, the coffee shop on board the ship. They have really good coffee. Here's another lounge, so you can see lots of that. This is kind of the shopping area. It's pretty neat. Here's the main dining room. The dining room on the ship is 2 floors. Here you can see it. It almost reminds me of the Holland America dining rooms. Here's the Lido. This is nice because you go to the little stations to get your food. Here's one of the specialty restaurants on board the ship. And here's the outside deck with the light boats. And here you can sit outside and watch this world go by. That's a neat feature that they've got on this ship. Here we are riding the glass elevator in the atrium. There's the library over there. I really like the design of the Celebrity ships. Here's the pool area in Antarctica. There was no water because it was too cold for that. And here's the water sloshing around when we were somewhere down there. We had rough seas on this trip, as you can tell. And that they had a grass lawn on board the Celebrity Eclipse, which was kind of a neat feature. And here's the smokestack. It's a beautiful ship, and I highly recommend a trip on the Celebrity Eclipse.